So we're headed to the shack today. It's a local favorite here in Fort Walton Beach. Today I opted for the 275 Freedom dual console. One of my favorite things about this boat, especially on a sunny day like today, is the nice hard top. Keeps you out of the sun and keeps you comfortable. We're gonna go ahead and head on over to the restaurant and show you what they have to offer. So we're pulling up to the dock here, and this one has Helmmaster with the Helmmaster joystick. It really is, it's not necessarily a feature that you need to have, but it is a nice feature. We're coming up to a T-dock that's kind of short here, and you know, I mean, 9 times out of 10 you can get it on there real good, but with the joystick it's 10 times out of 10. You just really can't mess up. So the shack's been here for a long time, and one thing that they're really famous for and why the locals come here is their fresh seafood. There's a couple of items that a lot of places in the area have, and I'd have to say I've never been here before, so I really wanted to see how they do these 2 items. So I'm gonna start off with the tuna dip, which is always a very good choice to start with in this area, and as well as a blackened fish sandwich. And that should give me a good idea on how good this food is. Shack is a great family restaurant. I mean, you can sit inside, sit outside, enjoy the weather if you'd like. Great food, and especially important, great service. So, first visit to the shack, and I have to say the tuna dip is awesome. But the fish sandwich right there, that red fish, blackened, top 3 for sure. And I've been to a lot of restaurants. This is a must eat if you're passing through Fort Walton Beach. It's on 98, look to the left hand side, right past MarineMax. So after a great lunch at the shack, we're back on the 275, and this is the part of my job that I really love, just getting out on the water, especially on a nice day like today. As I mentioned before, the nice big hard top keeps you out of the sun. Another great feature of the dual console is that you can shut all this and you can have your wind dam so that your customers are comfortable if we had like a windy ride or something like that. This is more of a family boat. Grady really only produces fishing boats, but this would be their kind of cruising model. You have all of the fishing in the back, all the business in the back, and you have all the comfort that you would need under here and on the bow. Now, it's been said time and time again, not just by MarineMax, but Grady is a very, very reliable boat. And what makes them even more reliable, and as part of that, is the Yamaha motors. They've been doing it for so long, and those things are bulletproof. Not only is this a good time to buy a 2024 model while the 2025 model is on the ground, but coupled with the extra Yamaha warranty, you just can't beat a deal like that. I'm Jay from MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. Come see me sometime, because this could be you.